Hi, I am Sansar Luchan from www.sansarluchan.in blog. Today I want to discuss about UPSC exam eligibility through this video, and I will try to answer all your queries that you very often ask me putting comments on my blog. I will try to speak in simple English, so don't worry Hindi medium guys. You will absolutely get me what I am saying. Always remember one thing, that you do not have to say any lie about your academic record or your age to UPSC. They will verify it later. So just thinking that you will escape from them and you will get such a reputed job, आंखों में धूल झोंक के, ऐसा करने का भूल भी नहीं करना है. For age certificate, you will have to submit your matric certificate at the time of applying for the civil services mains exam. आपको मेंस एग्जाम के समय आपको सारा सर्टिफिकेट एज सर्टिफिकेट दिखाना होगा, मैट्रिक सर्टिफिकेट. आपको जो आपका जो एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड्स है, एकेडमिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, वो आपको इंटरव्यू के समय दिखाना होता है. सो यूपीएससी को झूठ बोलने से कोई फायदा नहीं. डोंट डेयर टू डू सच सिली मिस्टेक्स, इट विल रूइन योर होल करियर. आफ्टर वार्निंग यू अ लिटिल बिट, now I will pick up some comments from my blog and will try to answer all your students' query, and one by one I hope I will clear all your doubts. Okay, now start. First query is, I am in first year history honors and want to appear IAS exam this year. Can I? No Dinesh, you cannot appear for UPSC exam this year. I am sorry about that. You are eligible to give UPSC exam only after you complete your graduation, or you can appear for UPSC exam while you are in the final year of your graduation. But be assured that you must have your degree certificate in your hands while filling up the form of UPSC mains. Mind it, I am talking about mains exam. आपके पास मेन एग्जाम जब आप देने जाओगे तो आपके पास डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट हाथ में होना चाहिए, तभी आप अपियरिंग एज एन अपियरिंग कैंडिडेट यूपीएससी एग्जाम के लिए बैठ सकते हो. Hope you have got it. And yes, you can appear in UPSC exam after completing your graduation in any discipline, BA, BTech, BCom, BSc, whatever. बस आपको you must be a graduate. Next query I am taking. I am only 21 years old and a graduate with 49%. Can I appear for UPSC exam? Hi Jitu bhai, yes. You can appear for UPSC exam. You are fit to minimum age criteria, that is 21 years. You are a graduate. This is enough for UPSC exam. It does not matter from which division you have cleared your examination. First division, second division, third division, whatever. बस fail नहीं होना है. Next query I am taking of Kunal. I am Kunal and I am 35 years old and general candidate. Can I appear for UPSC exam? No Kunal, sorry, you cannot. For general candidate, as of now, maximum age is 32 years. Here I am displaying in the screen, you can see in which minimum and maximum age limits and number of turns you can give. I have given category wise. There is a simple formula to calculate your age. You can take help from any online age calculator, or good at maths if you are, then calculate your age on 1st of August in the year of the exam you appearing for. आप जिस साल एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हो उस साल की 1st of अगस्त में आपकी उम्र क्या है, यदि वो फिट बैठती है एज क्राइटेरिया यूपीएससी की जो है, तो आप अपियर यूपीएससी के लिए कर सकते हो. Next, last question I am taking. I am graduate from Vinoba Bhave University. Yes. Can I appear for UPSC exam? Yes. Yes, Sikha. You can appear for UPSC exam. Vinoba Bhave University is a UGC recognized university. For all other guys to check out your university college is recognized by the government or not, you can check out by visiting UGC official website. A link might be appearing on the screen. You can click it and go through that. So guys, this is enough for today. If you have more queries about age, educational qualification, eligibility, whatever, you can comment below. Next time we will come up with a new video with your new doubts. Take care. Jai Hind.